Hi guys, it's Mel here. So I'm on the edge of the lake. I have been ice fishing and it's been absolutely fantastic. Beautiful day to do so, making the most of it before the snow really does melt. I decided that I'm going to build myself a shelter by the side. So I found a good snowbank and I'm going to start digging in. I'm giving myself like 30 to 45 minutes because I think that's as much as it should be for a shelter, and I'm going to try and do it with minimal effort. So I am reserving my energy for other things. So all I have with me is my pack basket. I have my fishing gear. I have a shovel that I was using to dig through the ice. I have a saw, which I also bought with me, and my cell phone, which is this. So yeah, here I go. Bye. Can you hear that? That's so freaking cool. This is why I love the mountains. Bye. When you're in a survival situation, obviously the most important thing, actually three, are fire, shelter, water. Fire and shelter, massively important. And I'll always, wherever I am, start picking up tinder and stuffing it in my coat so I know that I have dry stuff to make a fire with. You'll never find me without tinder. Water is hugely important too. I'm surrounded by snow, so there's no problem there. So fire and shelter were today's priorities. And secondly, you have to really think about how much energy you are expending for the reward that you wish to have. That's really, really important, guys. So I could have built a Quincy hut, no problem at all. But the amount of energy digging through that ice would have tired me out and depleted my reserves. So that's why I went to plan number 2, which is just to use the things around me, using my initiative. There's a saying, adapt, overcome, survive. And I heartily believe in that. You have to use what's around you to get the best possible result for the least amount of energy. So that's why I made my grouse house to show you. And I'll continue showing you other structures that you can make in a pinch that are something maybe you've not seen before and that are easy to do. You don't have to be like an amazing bushcrafter or woodsman to be able to do them, which is really important, because as much as there are amazingly talented people out there, there are also people who don't have as many skills and still want to survive in the wild. So hey, give it a go. Always test yourself before you do go out in the wild. Make sure that you know what it is you're capable of. Don't push yourself too much. And most of all, have fun. Yay! Take care. Bye.